Hello! Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa inyong lahat. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Magandang umaga. I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So, in today's video, alamin natin kung ano ang magiging kapalaran ng ating Earth signs simula sa araw na to at sa mga susunod pang mga araw. Paalala lang sa lahat, this is a general reading. Hindi po ito magre-resonate po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Okay. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Kapalaran, mensahe, gabay. Uy, the sun! You are heading towards success. Okay, you're very optimistic about the future with the sun card. Feeling alive, always happy. That's a very nice energy. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ayan. Full of happiness. Full of energy. Okay? The sun is about optimism. Okay? You are very parang optimistic ka. Okay? Sa kinakaharap mo, sa mga problemang kinakaharap mo. Alam mo, lumiliwanag talaga. Lumiliwanag, dumidilim. I'm so amazed. Ayan. We have the Lovers. Okay? Next, you have the 10 of coins. Limpak na pera ang darating sa ating Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, claim this 10 of coins. Kapera ka. Kapera din mo. Saya-saya ni... Sino yung guy na yan? Ikaw na yan siguro. Talagang siguro mamimigay ka ng pera sa dami ng perang ayan, parang hulog ng langit, no? Parang biglang bumagsak. Sana kung pwede lang, 'di ba? Babagsakan tayo ng pera, wala na. O, 'di ba? Financial security, family and inheritance. Maybe for some of you, you are expecting may magbibigay sa'yo ng malaking pera, pamana, makakabenta ng lupa. Ayan na. Ito na yung siguro yung sign. Okay, you have the Lovers. Maybe some of you are dealing with a soulmate. Right now, if there is this feeling, there's this energy of having a soulmate or finding a soulmate today at sa mga susunod na araw. Especially if you are someone na hindi nag-expect. Expect the unexpected. May mga instances kung kailan ka hindi naghahanap ng love life, nagpo-focus ka lang sa sarili mo, sa negosyo mo, sa work mo, and then all of the sudden, may na-meet ka, diba? Ayan, parang dumating siya sa buhay mo for a reason. And then, you're so happy. Yung nagbibigay ng kasayahan mo. Finally, I really do feel that finally, for some of you Earth signs, yung mga namumblema ng sa love life, I feel like today is mga susunod na araw. Okay, claim this. You're finally going to meet someone that is someone who deserves your love. Someone that truly loves you. Okay? Wow! Sa love life, sa kaperahan, sa energy, sa health. Oh my goodness. Ang ganda ng reading. Next, you have the Queen of Swords. Honest, protective, and quirky. Okay. I feel like you're going to deal with someone who's very matabas ang dila ng tao na to. Okay? But with this energy, Queen of Swords, you are very smart. You're very strategic and smart with how you handle your finances. Or kung paano mo i-handle tong negosyo, kaperahan, you'll be smart about it. Okay, magiging wise ka. Let's see how this fits in your situation. You have the 7 of Cups. Wishful thinking. May wish na matutupad. May wish, sinabi ko na nga lang bago pa buksan. You have the Star and the 7 of Cups. May wish na matutupad sa inyo, Earth signs. Wishful thinking, endless possibilities, fantasy, whatever you've been dreaming about. Your wildest dreams. libre namang mangarap. You might as well mangarap ka ng malaki. Gusto kong maging billionaire. Gusto kong magkaroon ng mansyon. Gusto kong maging kagaya ni Ma'am Small Laude. Ang daming mga, mansion every month, twice a month, twice a week, nakakapunta sa ibang bansa, nakaka-travel all around the globe, o diba? Very luxurious, having a very luxurious lifestyle. Those are, hindi natin alam kung, kanya-kanya naman tayo ng pangarap. But that's not really my dream. My dream is to live in a simple cottage, very peaceful, madaming halaman, summer breeze, alam mo yun, masarap ang hangin. Masarap ba ang hangin? Yung bang very fresh ang air, alam mo yun, nasa probinsya, malamig. Na-imagine nyo ba yung mga sinasabi ko? Ang ganda ng sikat ng araw, nagkakape ka lang, may mga narinig kang mga ibon, ang ganda, ang lamig ng paligid, ang malamig na maaraw na, ang presko, kumbaga. Yan ang pangarap ko. And then, wala sa city. Kung may city naman, medyo malayo lang. Gusto ko yung nakatira sa, nagkukwento na ako sa mga gusto ko. But anyway, 7 of Cups and the Star. Wow, I wanna claim this because this is, my wish talaga matutupad. Let me know, okay, in the comments. The next few weeks, one day, or basta, this is kapalaran. This is a prediction. So, even though itong reading na to nagaganap sa araw na to, time and energy is fluid. So it will happen for you in the future. So might as well claim this energy. Oh my God, 7 of Cups and the Star. Wish fulfillment. I'm claiming this. Okay. You have the 10 of Wands and the 3 of Swords. Some of you are experiencing some sort of heartache, trauma because of some person na masakit magsalita towards you. Tama ba, or sign? Maybe a water sign. Cancer. I'm sorry. Did I say Cancer? Maybe some of you are dealing with the Cancer. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some of you are dealing with an air sign. Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra na masakit magsalita. Pinagsalitaan ka ng hindi maganda. Tumagos sa puso mo. Ayan. Nasaktan ka. Whatever man yan, let it go. This is just temporary. You will get over this sorrow. Okay, it's just the energy that I'm reading. Now, the 10 of Wands. Some of you are signs you're gonna be experiencing some sort of burnout. Okay? Feel mo you've been taken for granted by your family. Okay? I'm getting a strong energy. Yung napifeel ko sa energy na to is, some of you earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, you've been feeling neglected by your family. Feeling mo, iniwang ka ng pamilya mo. There's something about dahilan pera. Ang dahilan pera. Maybe before, tinulungan mo, and then after how many years, ngayon naman na ikaw ang nangangailangan, namumblema, nagkasakit, pagod na sa buhay, mag-retire na, nakalimutan ka. Nakalimutan yung mga tulong na ginawa mo, sinakripisyo mo para sa kanila. Kaya nga ako, honestly, ayoko magpaaral ng mga pamangkin. Honestly. Ayoko mag-spoiled ng pamangkin. Alam mo kung bakit? Hindi naman sa tulong kasi spoiling people is actually not good. Let those people, hayaan mo sila na magsumikap para sa kanila, para magkaroon sila ng some sort of pride, magkaroon ng self-fulfillment na nagawa ko to dahil sa akin at hindi. Although yung support, mas maganda yung emotional support. Showing support, hindi lang yung bibigyan mo ng pera. Support is not like that. Support is not like, pag-aralin kita, ito ang kunin mo. That is not support. That is narcissism actually. That is a form of narcissistic. Ikaw ang nidi-decide para sa tao na yan. You are dictating. Ito ang kunin mo. Kung hindi itong kunin mo, hindi kita pagpapag-aralin. No, that's not support. Support means, ano ba ang gusto mo? Gusto ko maging painter. O sige, supportahan kita. You can do it. O ano mga kailangan mo. Sige, sabihin mo lang sa akin. Ganon. Hindi yung kasi ego yun eh. Ego mo na nakatulong ako. That's your ego speaking. Do you think happy yung based on my experience, okay? I don't really, hindi talaga. Okay? For me kasi what if, kunyari, pamangkin mo or anak mo, nakita mo yung talent niya, magandang magkumanta. Okay? Very good at singing, arts, music, drums, or anything related to arts and music. And then, pinilit mo siyang maging dentista, doktor, hindi naman linya. Kahit anong pag-aaral ng gagawin niya, kahit hindi talaga siya interesado sa learning. So, hindi ka nang nag-aaksaya ng pera, nasira mo pa ang dream ng pamangkin mo or anak mo. Mapapalayo siya kasi hindi siya interesado sa teacher, sa learning niya kasi hindi niya passion yun. Okay? But anyway, kung saan na napupunta natin yung mga usapan, I'm so sorry. Talking of, going back, I feel like with this 10 of Wands and the 10 of Coins in conjunction with this card, I really do feel that some of you, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, pagod ka na or mapapagod ka. Iba sa inyo mapapagod na tutulong sa pamilya nyo. Parang something like that. Kasi there's something about that na mapapagod ka na. Pagod na akong tulungan kayo, intindihin kayo. Hindi nyo naman ako naintindihan. Hindi nyo man ako yung kapakanan ko ba iniisip ninyo? Parang ganon. Magaling lang kayo pag may kailangan sa akin. Yan ang energy na kukuha ko. Pagod na ako sa kakatulong, hindi naman kayo nakikinig. Something like that. Okay? So, I feel like yung iba sa inyo, definitely, it feels like you're experiencing some sort of burnout. King of Wands. Yeah, you are a very natural leader, innovative visionary. I feel like you have something in mind. With the King of Wands, ay nakikita ko din is, in the next few days, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, there's something about magagalit ka, or it's either magagalit ka or you'll be on fire. You'll be determined or inspired, motivated to do something with regards to career, money, and your health. Something like that. Okay? Gusto ko lang i-flex tong stone na to. It's really, calling me. Okay? Ganda, di ba? Nakalimutan ko yung name. This is the amethyst. Ang ganda, di ba? Very glowy siya. Sharing the energy of the amethyst for relaxing stone, and also protection. This is grayish violet purple amethyst. Okay, geode. Ayan. Oh my goodness, I love this. I just wanna share. Flex natin yan. Shout out to pala to. Kanina ko ba binili to? Sa mga crystal na Guys, kung naghanap kayo ng mga crystals or something like that, let me know. Meron akong i-recommend na mga seller sa Instagram. Okay, speaking of Instagram, follow me there para sa mga libreng hula. Now, let's get one last card para sa inyong message from your guardian angels and spirit guides. You have birthday. Okay, may birthday na mangyayari, gaganapin, and it's really gonna be very significant for a lot of you. A significant birthday holds the answer to your question. Okay. There's something about a birthday. I'm also really getting this card. My wish na matutupad sa'yo with this birthday. Sort of like, diba, during birthday, nagbo-blow tayo ng candle. My wish na matutupad sa inyo, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Claim this if I were you. So, ayun, bago ako magtatapos, gusto ko lang i-announce na naghahanap ng love life. You have Love and Attraction spell jar. This is 290 pesos. Take a screenshot and then message me sa Buno Magos. 290 pesos. Kung hindi nyo kayang bilhin, wag bumili. Okay? 290 pesos, napakamura yan. Ritual ang binabayaran nyo sa akin dito. My goodness, po, 290 ritual, ang napakamura naman. O, diba? You have relationship repair spell jar. Nag-away kayo ng partner mo, naghiwalay, gusto mong magkaayos kayo ulit. Okay, you need this. 290 pesos. Okay, message mo ako. Take a screenshot and then message me sa Buno Magos Facebook page. Okay? Kung gusto nyong bumili. Naghahanap ng hustisya. Okay? Ang dami ko nang sinulat dito. Dalawa. There's a big difference with the white and black candle. I think this one really stands out for me. I love the black. O, diba? Ang ganda ng black. Kumpara sa white. Okay lang din naman ng white. Kasi, 270 pesos each only. Okay? Isulat niyo yung pangalan ng taong gusto nyong, makarma. Gusto nyong mapabilis yung karma. Gusto nyong, take a screenshot. Let me know in the comments if interested kayo. Message me sa Facebook page Buno Magos. Okay? 270 pesos only. Okay? May kasamang ritual and instruction. Isulat niyo sa papel yung name ng tao na gusto nyong, and then intention nyo na gusto mangyari sa kanya. Okay? Isulat niyo dyan sa papel. Seal the jar with this white or black candle and then wait for the full moon. Okay? Ilabas niyo yan. Sunugin niyo yung papel sa harap ng full moon. Dapat walang ulap, nakatakip talagang yung maliwanag na full moon para tawagin natin si Hecate. O, diba? To bring justice sa mga nang-aapi sa atin. O, diba? Something like that. Alright, so, sa naghahanap naman ng namumblema sa pera. Okay? If you think you have some blockages regarding your finances, you need this. Financial blockages removal spell jar, 850. Take a screenshot and then message me Facebook page, Buno Magos. Okay? So, ayan po. Earth sign, Source Virgo, Capricorn, maraming salamat. I'll see you tomorrow again sa another kapalaran ninyo. Okay? Ingat, God bless, more power, and paalam!